Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In today's video, I'll talk about the battery training details on the Oneplus Nord device after the recent software update. Yes friends, finally I was able to use this phone non-stop with a 4G SIM card only with the one single SIM card, as you can see friends. And during this time, most of the time the 4G data was on, I think close to 90% of the time in the morning, and at the night time obviously I'll be trying to turn off the data at all. But overall during this time of usage, I'll try to show you what is the screen on time and what is my usage during this time. So first thing, so I'm trying to use a single SIM card, and next is using the 90 Hz refresh rate only. Yes, this complete test I did using only the 90 Hz refresh rate, as you can see friends, 90 Hz. And if you try to go to the battery settings, and I did not enable any power saving mode, and the high performance mode I did not enable at all. As you can see friends, high performance mode is completely turned off. And I did use the sleep standby optimization option as well, as you can see, to get the better kind of battery performance out of this Oneplus Nord 2. I did use that kind of option as well. So finally the screen on time is about close to 4 hours and 31 minutes, as you can see friends in this phone. The battery percentage right now it's about 16% exactly. So last charge was 1 day and 14 hours ago, 1 day and close to 15 hours ago, as you can see exactly. So these are the statistics about the Oneplus Nord 2. So my usage was pretty simple during this time of demonstration. I did use a couple of benchmarking applications, even the video editing application as well, Canmaster, and I did watch a couple of Netflix videos. I think only maybe 1 or 2 episodes, I think not much. So I did do a lot of intense kind of benchmark testing during this time of demonstration. So that's the reason you are trying to see a little kind of less time, which is about 4 hours and 32 minutes during the process of demonstration, as you can see. So it's a kind of close to extreme usage. So under the extreme usage and heavy intense kind of usage, so the battery backup for the 1.5 day usage, these are the results which we got about the screen on time, as you can see, 4 hours and 32 minutes in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to do any other different comparisons, definitely I'll try to plan those kind of comparisons as soon as possible in this Oneplus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. I'll illustrate for more updates. So this is a small demonstration which I thought of just giving you regarding the battery and the screen on time, how much I'm getting. And overnight draining was about close to, I think 3 to 4% of the overnight draining is there in this Oneplus Nord device. That's the one thing which I did observe during the process of demonstration, as you can see, 3 to 4% from night to morning, around close to 8 hours of time. So these are quick details about the Oneplus Nord device of the recent software update. Some of the users, they are actually experiencing a lot of battery drain, and some of the users, they are getting a little bit of more screen on time, maybe close to 7 hours. But in my case, I was able to get kind of close to 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours in kind of between in this Oneplus Nord device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video on Illustrator for more updates. And don't forget to remember, I am trying to use the 4G data SIM most of the time, and 90 Hz refresh rate turned on as well. So I did do a couple of benchmarking and CPU throttling test comparison during this time. So don't